Good morning, student. I am Amit Kumar. Today I will explain about some tags. So we are using many tags in HTML. So first tag's name is head tags. Head tag. How many tags in HTML? There are two types of tags in HTML: container tag and empty tag. So head tag is a container tag that start with head tag and end with head tags. Start with head and end with /head tags. So it distinguishes the HTML document header and does not affect the appearance of the page in the browser window. The header contains information about the document. The headers contains information about the document. That is the syntax of the head tags. Head, here write headings and slash means close head. Next we use title tag. Why we use title tag and which types of tag? So title tag is also a container tag that start with title and end with /titles. So every HTML document should contain title. Every HTML document should contain title to be displayed in the title bar of the browser window. It display on the title bar of the browser window. If an HTML document does not contain a title, then the file name of the HTML document displayed in the title bar. So syntax of the title bar here given. Titles, it is open and it is close. Understood? Any problem? Okay, next is body tag. Why we use body tag? Which types of tags? Body tag is also a container tag. Here is a start body and here is end body. This contains the main contents of the web page. Means body tags contains the main contents of the web page. Main contents. Okay. Syntax of the body tag is body and close here. Okay. Here we write information contents. Okay. This is the use of body tags. Next, body tags contains many attributes. So some attributes are given here. So background, why we use background already know about. If you want to create any web page, then you can change the background. So here background, why we use background? This is used to specify the path and file name of an image that can be used as a background of the web page. Background of the web page means if you want to change the background, then we use background of the web page. Already here given body, background and path, file, jpg. So here one examples here given. Right here body, background and drive name. So where you put, so put here path. Okay, and then file name of the background. Okay, then your background will be appear during run time of the programs. So next is bg color. Bg means background color. Why we use bg color? Bg color is used to sets the background color of the web page. Most of the browser recognize the popular colors. Red, yellow, green, etc. Many colors are. So we want to use any background color, any different color, then we use bg color. So syntax here given bg, sorry, syntax here given body bg color is equal to color name. So here examples given body bg color and green. Here written body, so all attributes right inside the body part. So here we take body. Okay, so body bg color and color name green, yellow, red, anything. So here we write green. Okay, next is paragraph. Why we use paragraph? This can be used as a container tag. So here also a start tags and here also end, a start and ends. So okay, good morning students. Today I will explain about paragraph tag, why we use paragraph tag. So this tag can be used as a container tag starting with p and here end with /p, or an empty tag. So paragraph tag is container or empty tag. So this tag is used to start a new paragraph. Why we use paragraph tag? We use paragraph tag to start a new paragraph. The text editor does not recognize the returned enter key that we hit on the keyboard. Hence we use p tag, means empty tag, to start a new paragraph. So p means paragraph, start a new paragraph with extra space before the first line. Syntax here given. Okay, so next is attribute of p tag. In attribute of p tags, align. This attribute of the paragraph tag specify the horizontal alignment of paragraph. Any of the alignments is center, right, left, justify. Center, right, left, or justifies can be used. The syntax of the paragraph tag is p, align, and alignments. Alignments means center, right, left, and justify. Here syntax are given. Centers, align the text to the center, align the text to the right side, and align the text to the left side, and align the text evenly between both left and right margins. It is justify. Okay, next is line break, br tags. So line break tags, so listen about line break. This tag is empty tag. Why we say empty tag? Here is no close tags, only open. So this tag is an empty tag specified by br tag. Br tags forces a line break. Means br tag is used for break the line of the paragraph, of the text, of the image, so etc. So which indicates that text images following the tags will be moved to the next line when so in the browsers. Okay, any problem? Understood? Okay, thank you.